Hello and Namaste. Welcome to Technology Channel International. In this video, you will learn about vibe coding with practical demo. I am Bishworaj Poudel, and after watching this video, you will become vibe coder. So let's begin. First of all, let's discuss about what is vibe coding. Vibe coding is coding without writing a single line of code. You can just give a prompt to LLM like ChatGPT and your software is ready. Here are some advantages of vibe coding. Number one is accessibility. You can easily create software by just writing a prompt. It enables individuals without coding experience. If you don't have coding experience, you can vibe code and build software. That is advantage. Another one is fast development. With the help of AI generated code, you can focus on solving a problem rather than writing a code. And another one is cost saving. AI generate multiple code so that company can reduce the need for large development teams, which leads to cost saving in labor and resources. And another one is enhanced productivity. Vibe coding empowers developers. If you are a developer, then you can just focus on problem solving. You can easily solve the problem. That is another advantage. And another one is innovation opportunities. You can simplify the development process. You can do experiment and develop new things using vibe coding. And here are some challenges of vibe coding. That is superficial understanding of code. Computer generate the code, but if I don't understand that, then there may be some risks. So that if I have superficial understanding of code, then there may be some problem, security issue like that in future. And I also don't know how that code is working. Okay. And another one is debugging difficulties. Debugging means finding and solving the problem. Where is the problem and how I can solve that. That is one of the difficulties. While generating a code, if LLM fix the code but did problem on another person, then what we need to do? That is one also problem. Security vulnerabilities. AI model may produce code that includes security flaws and which cause hacking to that software or application. That is also challenge. Another one is fewer developer needed. Companies hire few developer because with few developers and vibe coding, we can do a lot of things. So that is one also challenge. Here are best practices for effective vibe coding. Number one is give AI one task at a time. If you want to build a multiple calculators and want to start with simple interest calculator, then just create simple interest calculator, and you can also tell create another calculator. At the end, you can combine all of them. And you can break down complex topic into multiple solutions so that LLM can work effectively, and you can make prompt specific and detailed. And if you got any error, then copy that error message and paste it to LLM. Then LLM will solve your issue, and you need to review suggestion critically. If LLM suggests anything, please critically review that suggestion. In the future of coding, human will guide development, choose solutions, and evaluate outcomes, often without needing to read every line of code. Okay. And we are growing, and AI is growing. It is so interesting to see the things happening in the AI. Now let's do the real example of vibe coding. Now I am going to create a simple interest calculator using vibe coding. Okay, so let me give a prompt: create simple interest calculator using HTML, CSS, and JS. I'll just write this to ChatGPT and hit enter. Okay, here is the code. Okay, okay, here is the formula of simple interest, you can see. Okay, now I will copy this one and I'll say run HTML online, and I'll go to this website and I'll paste the code and click on run. Okay, okay, here is our simple interest calculator, and I'll say principal amount 5,000, rate of interest 3%, time 6 years, and simple interest is 900. Okay, this is the simple interest calculator. Without knowing any code, you just created a software. This is vibe coding. Okay, and if you want to publish this software, then you can easily do. I created one video called create website using AI. You can see that video, that is vibe coding video, and you can create website and publish it easily. Now let's create one game using vibe coding. Okay, I'll say create tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS and JS. Okay, I'll just say this one, and okay, I'll write another prompt. Okay, I'll just here is canvas. Okay, I'll click on canvas and create tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS and JS in single file. Okay, I'll say in single file. Now if I hit enter, then it will open the canvas and write the code. Okay, you can also preview from directly from here. Okay, here is our code. Okay, here is the preview option. Okay, you can just preview the code, or you can also copy and paste. Okay, if I click on preview, here is the code, here is the output. Okay, 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 O wins. Okay, I want, if you want X in red color, you can just say I want X in red color and O in green color. You can just write a prompt and I'll say stop. Okay, it is rewriting our entire code. If you know coding, then you can easily understand that. If you don't know coding, then you are a vibe coder. You do not need to understand this. Okay, now you can see X in red color and O in green color. Okay, this is very easy and interesting. Okay, congratulations, now you are vibe coder. If you want to learn AI, then download our Learn AI application. You can learn various modern AI concepts. You can test your skill and you can get your AI certificate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. See you.